In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the top products to sell on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spot products that are already selling well, how to check if demand is real and sustainable, and what actually makes a product winning for your store. Let's start with marketplace research, which basically means looking at what's already working. First, head over to Amazon. In the top left, open the main menu and choose a product category that interests you, like home, beauty, or pet supplies. Once the products load, go to the top right where you see the sort or filter option, which is usually set to featured, and switch it to best sellers. After the page reloads, you're now looking at items that are performing really well in that category. Here's what you should focus on: products with at least 1,000 reviews, a rating of 4 stars or higher, and a price generally under $50. Bonus points if they're lightweight, because that keeps shipping simpler and cheaper. When you see products with lots of reviews and high ratings, that's proof they're selling consistently and there's strong demand. Next, go to a supplier marketplace like AliExpress or Alibaba. At the top, hover over all categories. Pick a category that matches what you found on Amazon and let the results load. Now, find the sort filter at the top and change it to orders. This will reorder the products, so the ones with the most orders appear first. Look for items with at least 1,000 orders, and make sure to check the recent reviews, especially from the last 30 days. If you see a lot of new orders and fresh reviews, that's a sign of strong current demand and possibly a trending product. You can also look for ideas on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest, and even other Shopify stores. These places are great for spotting products that are getting attention and engagement. Once you've found a few promising products, the next step is to verify search demand using Google Trends. Go to Google Trends and type in your product, category, or a related keyword. When the results appear, use the filters at the top. You can choose the country or region you want to target, select a time frame like the past 28 months, 5 years, or 30 days, and pick the type of search, such as web search, shopping, or YouTube search. Look at the interest over time graph. You want to see a steady or upward trend, not a big spike followed by a drop. Be aware of seasonal patterns too, like fitness products peaking in January or gifts in December. Then scroll down to see related queries. The top queries show what people search for most, while rising queries highlight what's growing quickly. These can give you new product ideas or better keyword angles. You can also compare products. Go back up, click the plus icon beside your first search term, add another keyword, and press enter. The graph will reload with different colors for each term, and you'll see separate related queries for each. This makes it easy to see which product has stronger or more stable interest. Finally, keep this simple checklist in mind for a winning product. It should solve a clear, specific problem for your customer. It should allow for a healthy profit margin, ideally 3 to 4 times your cost. It needs some kind of unique or eye-catching wow factor that makes it stand out, especially in social media content. And it should be small or lightweight so shipping stays fast, affordable, and reliable. Use these steps together, and you'll be able to find products that don't just look good, but have real data behind them and a strong chance of selling well on Shopify.